A lot of people have asked me lately how I do my kettlebell snatches. There's a lot of difference in style that I use for fitness versus competition. This is a competition bell, and we're going to go over a couple things that I try to focus on in slow motion while you watch. So first, as I hike it back, notice where I'm grabbing. I tend to grab in the middle of the handle or down towards the bottom. So as the bell is over, what I'm trying to do is not flip it up higher than my wrist once my arm is overhead. As it comes up, I'm giving it one rotation. Basically, the kettlebell handle is above. Right now, it's above the weight, and it ends going below and above again. Okay, so what I'm thinking about each rep is flipping the bell one time and predicting where I want to catch it without it slamming onto my arm. Notice how I let go of the handle and reinsert the hand. Thumb and forefinger are gripping into the corner. If not more, or my thumb is going actually onto the post. The other post is connected to my forearm. So basically it's touching the ulnar area of my forearm. I'm not gripping. I'm releasing and re-gripping the handle. I'm catching it with my arm almost locked out. So my elbow is never pulling. My elbow is never really flexing on the way up. It started, you can see when I drop it. So as I drop it, I don't throw it forward. I let it cradle it outside and down. I catch right there. All right. So as it's coming back up, I let go, reinsert the handle into the handle. I let it fall to the outside. I pull my hand out fast, catch, absorb, bring it back up. Notice my quadriceps are actually almost like a jumping position, catching that bell. It's right there, catch, absorb, bring it back up. And notice on the weight is coming up. It's almost like you would flick a rope. So you're doing battle ropes. So up, down. So that's what caused that kettlebell to flip over. And it just takes practice and practice and practice. Notice the kettlebell weight isn't way behind my head. It's lined up where I'm using the least amount of effort to hold it up there forever. Now if I'm doing strength, I might want a really heavy weight, but for form, I'm practicing with a 16 and a 24. Check out the Kettlebell Locker. Joe Daniels. See you.